They say time heals all wounds. And you'd think after 5 months of lying on my back, I would have given up any idea of getting even. Just be a nice guy, call it a day. Nice guys are fine. You gotta have someone to take advantage of. But they always finish last.
A couple of my viewers told me in person that people want to be entertained. I should make videos for entertainment. So, how about a dose of reality for entertainment? Being nice sucks. Being nice all the time sucks even more. You were raised for a world that no longer exists. Hear me again. You were raised for a world that no longer exists. Whatever your parents taught you, manners, etiquettes, always be nice to others, do good and good things will come to you, don't speak your mind, don't say things that are nasty or harsh because it could offend people at times. Just bite your tongue and be politically correct and sugarcoat everything you have to say. You have to repress your feelings, anger, and avoid conflicts while the rest of the world keeps taking advantage of you. The modern world is cold, brutal, and competitive. It will eat you alive. You have to forget whatever you were taught and you have to relearn. You have to become ruthless to survive in a ruthless world. It only happens in movies that good guys win and bad guys lose. And it is how we all grew up to see this world, just and fair. But the reality is different. Reality is far from it. Now there are those people who say things like, I'll be nice and nice things will eventually happen to me. I believe in karma. So what if I was wronged? I will not change my ways. Ask yourself this. How many times have you been there for others who needed you? But whenever you needed them, were they there for you? But you still won't change your ways today. They will say things like, be positive, or good things happen to good people, or positive vibes only. They say things like these not only to themselves, but others as well. And they suffer and suffer and suffer and wonder, why did this happen to me? Why does this happen to me again and again? Yet they never change their ways. This toxic positivity is nothing but a just world fallacy. So according to this fallacy, people have a strong desire or need to believe that the world is an orderly, predictable and a just place where people get what they deserve. Their noble actions will eventually be rewarded and evil actions will eventually be punished. And nice guys often use this idiotic rationalization as a crutch.
You know, you might say that someone who is incapable of cruelty is a higher moral being than someone who is capable of cruelty. And I would say, and this follows Jung as well, that that's incorrect, and it's dangerously incorrect, because if you are not capable of cruelty, you are absolutely a victim to anyone who is.
To survive in this modern world, you have to become something else. Someone who is dangerous to be messed around with. And you have to carry that aura with you and not keep it innate. You have to stand tall and walk proud and have a badass image. You have to reform yourself. It will take daily discipline, but with enough practice, you'll become that person. And when you become something that you have never been before, only then you'll achieve what you have never achieved before. Your situation won't change because you don't. They will only change when you do. Stop trying to do the same thing again and again and expect different results. You will only blame yourself in the end. Don't be insane. Stop pushing the wall. Take a hammer and bring that entire thing down. Reality is a hard pill to swallow that comes at the cost of a dream world and a past self. Old habits die hard, and the habit of always being nice doesn't die easily. There is no saturation point you're waiting for to change your ways. It's never gonna come. And you'll always be used and abused by people, be it at your workplace or in personal relationships. You have to stop seeking their approval. You have to stop being a people pleaser. You have to stop virtue signaling from your social media that you are the nicest person in the world. You have to stop trying to be the guy who tries to make everyone happy. You have to stop listening to people for a while and start doing your own thing. If you try to make everyone happy, you will end up losing your own identity and self-esteem. And you have to stop being overly apologetic. I cannot stress this enough. You have to stop being overly apologetic. You have to stop saying sorry. Pride is underrated. You have to have it. You have to own it. By being nice, you will only set a limit on how remarkable you can be. You be you. You walk tall and be proud without putting limits on expressing yourself or having strong opinions. Without pride, man becomes a parasite, and there are already too many parasites. Now, you don't need to be a complete jerk and not care about others, but always put yourself before others. Learn to care for others, but unlearn to care about what others think. If that makes them think you have a chip on your shoulder, then let them think that. Don't be a snowflake. Be someone people look up to. But at the same time, carry that image that you're not someone to be messed around with.
Well, if you're harmless, you're not virtuous. You're just harmless. You're like a rabbit. A rabbit isn't virtuous. It's just can't do anything except get eaten. It's not virtuous. If you're a monster and you don't act monstrously, then you're virtuous. But you also have to be a monster.
People will wrong you from time to time. Don't be a sucker and try to help them in their need because it's your nature to do so.
Close your heart to their desperation. Close your heart to their suffering. Do not allow yourself to feel for them. They will not feel for you.